Okay, now we're installing the fishing rod and reel site, and after this finishes installing, we're going to go over a couple more things as far as the workings of your site. So we're going to talk about a couple more things, address a couple more issues, and you can see that the fishing rod and reel site installed successfully. And again, guys, if you're having trouble installing, if it's not installing, there's a couple of reasons for it. Okay, one is that you didn't update the WordPress version before you did the install. If you don't do that, it messes it up and it just won't work right. If you're getting unsuccessful installs for another reason, it's because within your hosting account, within your server, your hosting is blocking the install, and it may be a security setting they have, or it's because of file size. So you will have to contact them and just tell them what you're doing, because that is the problem, and it's usually in the HT access or something like that. But all the sites are installing just fine, and again, usually you don't have any problems on HostGator hosting. Not everybody has a problem, so if you do have unsuccessful restore, then that's one of those two things is your problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and resave our permalinks. Okay, we're logging back in, and we're going to resave the permalinks. First thing we do. Okay, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Excuse me. Okay, so let's go over just a couple of things real quick. If we take a look at our site, let's go ahead and bring up our site in a new tab. And now for some reason Firefox, I have a lot of trouble with Firefox showing wrong things and things like that. So if your banners are showing something other than what they should, go in and change those, and you do that by going into your theme options. And you go down to banner add top. Okay, go ahead and either resave this. Go ahead and resave, but you want to go ahead and put in your own banner ad right here so that it shows up here. Okay. And we're looking at our site just to make sure everything's there. Okay. So one thing I wanted to show you is on your video. Okay. Your video, if you want to change those, I'm going to go to Appearance and Widgets. And your videos are in this top widget that's called Random Video Sidebar Widget. There are 3 different videos that are on here right now, and they're all in the fishing. They're all about fishing. But this is where you'd go in and change those. You can put in up to 5. And what you do is when you go to YouTube and get the URL for the video you want, all you're going to put in is the last group of digits that are right after the equal sign. Okay, that's called the ID of the video, and that's all you need. But this is where you would go in and change these if you'd want to. Okay. The Empire Custom Search, you'd want to go in and put in your Amazon ID right here. Okay, and click on Save. The ebook image is right here. Okay, and you want to change that title to the title of the ebook, and then you can put whatever you want to in this area. Okay, and then just click on Save. And and another thing that we're going to talk about is your opt-in down at the bottom. Okay. To access that, you want to go under Settings, Opt-in Crusher. Okay, and we'll scroll down, and these are the options for your opt-in. Now, really all you need to do is, since we're giving away a free ebook, and again, you can change this to whatever you want. Okay, it don't have to stay what it is, but it's right now it says free ebook. Okay, right here. And you can choose any one of these you want. Okay, so you can also choose the color. Okay, right now it's this color, red. You can change it to whatever you want. Okay, here is where you're going to put in your call to action, and a generic call to action is in there right now. You can also put in whatever you'd like right here, and it's going to show up down here. You can style it any way you want. Right here is where you're going to paste your opt-in form from your Aweber account or whatever autoresponder you use. You would just create your web form and copy the HTML into this area. Click on Process Form. Okay, and it will process the form and automatically insert it into this area down here so that your customer has a place to enter their name and email. Okay, and that's about all you need to do on your opt-in at the bottom. Now I wanted to go over the plugin Socializer Pro real quick. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Socializer Pro, okay, and then you're going to go to Manage first, and these are all the sites that are already on the plugin that it will submit to. Okay, and I'm going to provide you with this new list so that you can have it. But this is the list that it already submits to. It's already in there, so you don't have to upload any list. Okay, what you're going to do is all these bookmarking sites you want to get a username and password for. Okay, so once you get a username for StumbleUpon, you're going to copy that URL, paste it in here, and put in your username and password and click on Save. Again, it's time consuming, but it's well worth it. And there's really no way to get around it. There's automation software, but it's just easier if you just go and get a username and password for this particular site, for the fishing rod and reels in this case. So I'll give you this list, copy and paste them in here with the username and password and click on Save. And then what you're going to do after that is you're going to go to Options. Okay, I would leave this at 25% to 50%. So that it will randomly pick the bookmarking sites that it posts to. It's not going to post to the same one every day. or for every post. Go ahead and put an email in here if you want to get a report sent to your email address of every time that a article was bookmarked. Okay. Again, you don't need to import the file. Okay. Socialize reports will give you the report of every post that is submitted. And again, this is going to do it on autopilot once you get all of your accounts in there, because articles are being posted to your site automatically, so it automatically bookmarks every time a new post is published. Okay, so I hope that clears up any confusion on that part. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at your categories. Your categories are under the Post tab. So if you click on Categories, okay, these are the categories that are set up on your site. Right now, you have content being posted into the blog category, and that's from 4 or 5 different sources. Okay, and under the Products and Reviews category, you have Amazon products automatically posted in that category. Okay. Now, the blog category is set not to show on the home page. Okay. And so if you were going to want to add your own product reviews, which I recommend, okay, and when you add your own product reviews, you have the option to post them in a category like featured product reviews. Now, if you put in your own product reviews, say you put in your own 5 or 6 product reviews, and you want those to be on the home page, okay, say you want those to be on the home page. So what you would do is go ahead and create the product review that you want, and you want to do that by going and adding a new post. So if you go under Post and click on Add New, okay, you would give your post a title, put in the content of the post, and you would want to select the category. Now, if you're doing your own product reviews, I suggest you do them in a different category of product and reviews, because the category product and reviews, again, remember, it's being posted to automatically. Okay, and your site is set to show the latest post in this category. So I recommend posting them into featured product reviews or another category that you set up. Okay, so you'd want to do that. You'd want to come down and set a featured image for it. Okay, and once you have your featured product review or your own product review set, let's say that you've added 5 of them. Okay, what you would want to do at this point, if you wanted to feature those on the home page, if you wanted to feature your own product reviews that you added on the home page, what you would do is come down to Settings and go into Category Exclusion. Okay, and as you can see right now, we have the blog excluded from the main page or your front page. We have featured product reviews excluded. What we have on the front page is product and reviews. Okay, so if you were going to show your own product reviews that say you put 5 or 6 into this category, you'd want to uncheck that box and check this box so that only your featured product reviews are showing on the home page, and that will take care of that, so your own featured product reviews will be showing. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and stop this video here, and there's one more thing I want to show you before we stop this video. So if you go back and you wanted to add a new post, add a new review, add a new product review, or you wanted to add your own article in the blog category, there's one thing I want to show you. You have a pretty cool tool that we've included for you, okay? And it's Empire Easy Content, okay? right here you can put in, say you wanted to find information on a, or even Amazon products on fishing rods. Okay, click on Amazon items, and then you want to click on search. And it's going to bring up information on fishing rod and reels. Okay, and you can add these straight to your post. Okay, and you can do this same thing with articles, images, videos, news. Okay, so if you need to come in and make a quick post and you need to get content for it quickly, this is an easy way to do it. And it's right below when you add a new post, WP Empire Easy Content. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Now, if you use this to add some Amazon products, you want to make sure and come down to WP Easy Empire Content and click on it. Okay, once you're inside this area, you want to go ahead and put in your own Amazon ID. Now, yeah, go ahead and put in your own Amazon ID, okay, so that if you use this plugin to add content to your post, it'll automatically put your Amazon ID in, okay. Okay, guys, one more thing, you want to clear your cache every now and then just by clicking on this button. Keep your site running faster. And we're going to stop the video at this point, and I'll keep adding videos so that you'll learn more about your site. Okay? Thank you very much.